Hi, Debbie here. Wanted to do you a super quick one about 4 ways to love change. This week's newsletter is all about lover or loather. And if you like change, then you are like me. Whether it be the way that I change the house up, whether it's actually being in a state of change, that flux is a very comfortable place for me. I also think it's a quality of being in coaching because you actually don't know some of the things that are going to come your way. So what we've done here is we've put 4 ways of helping you if you're a loather of change. If not, share this with somebody else. Make somebody else's day. So 4 of the things I really wanted to quickly go through with you, and then you can work through them yourself, is the first thing is we say shake up your daily routine, introduce something new. And this is about altering energy and patterns and things that you've got. Again, these are the things that resist us change, and make it small. So what we talk about is morning rituals. Change your first drink. If you always have a coffee the first thing, have a sip of water, have a lemon water, or start journaling. Do something different. Do recommend the Storia app. Also consider things about how do you respond. So a really great technique is just to count to 5 in your head and then reply. Changes everything, but does make a big difference. Another way of applying change is writing emails in draft and then going back to them and then reflecting on them. Another way of people is, who do you connect with? Change it. You have got all control over that one. So just go through some of those options. Super simple hack, not ours, it's Eckhart Tolle. And he talks about when our brain is in that state of flux or concern or worry or stuck, a really great way of dealing with noise is just to ask internally, what is my next thought? And it goes quiet. And if you're dealing with change or you're uncomfortable with it, this is a brilliant way of restoring some calm and then allowing you to step into doing something that little bit different. The final two are a little bit more complex than this, and this is a list of questions. So look at the big, big, big stuff, bring it down, and then be really micro. One tiny, small micro action. So we give you some options here is, I do not like change because it's the nature of my work. So ask yourself the big answer to this. What does that actually mean? You don't like change because it makes you uncomfortable. People are judging you. You feel assumed, all of those things, detail. And then you give yourself a micro action. It's a power tool by just doing this activity, and you can change up the questions yourself as you start to work through your own self-coaching. The final one is perceptual positioning is its official name, but it's perspective and sitting in a seat, feeling it and seeing it, and fundamentally being different. When we are in change, it's because we have some cognitive bias against our own opinion, or we feel safe, or are in defense mode. So a really great way of helping us with this is the activity of literally moving from chair to chair. So 4 seats can be in your house, anywhere. And each chair is labeled for, against, don't care, undecided. You ask yourself a question. So one of the examples we give you is, I can't change because, and then you go and sit in the chair that is for that argument. So you would say, I can't change because I don't ever want to feel uncomfortable. I feel embarrassed. I feel ashamed, etc. Then you go and sit in a different seat, which is against, and you ask the same question. And by doing this, it has multiple facets of help for your neuron firing. But also what it does is it widens that perspective and allows you to start to see that change is not as scary as we thought it was. So please do let us know how much you've enjoyed using these. Follow us, chat with us, and remember, please do remember, you are doing change each and every day already just by functioning. So do recognize that too. Enjoy.